Momentum is one of the most powerful concepts in trading, and if you are not using momentum indicators, you are missing out on some of the best trading opportunities. So, in this video, we are diving into the best momentum indicators for day trading, how they work, how to use them, and the best ways to combine them for stronger signals. Okay, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to apply these indicators to improve your trade entries and exits. Make sure to stick around until the end for some pro tips that will help you refine your strategy. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful trading content. Now, let us get into it. First of all, let's talk about what momentum indicators actually do. Unlike moving averages or other lagging indicators, momentum indicators measure the speed and strength of price movements. Now, they help traders determine whether a trend is gaining or losing strength, making them essential for timing trade entries and exits. Momentum indicators are especially useful for day traders who need quick and precise signals. Okay, so instead of just following price movements, these indicators allow us to anticipate when momentum is shifting. Okay, whether a trend is likely to continue or if a reversal is on the horizon. Okay, that is what I'm referring to. Now let's just go over some of the most effective momentum indicators for day trading. All right, let's break down the best momentum indicators you can start using today. The first we're going to be talking about is the relative strength index. Yeah, you got that right. If you guessed it, well, you're correct. The RSI measures whether an asset is overbought or oversold. Readings above 70 indicate overbought conditions, while readings below 30 indicate oversold conditions. When combined with price action, RSI can help confirm trend strength and potential reversals. Okay? The next indicator, momentum indicator we are going to be looking at is the moving average convergence divergence, or the MACD for short. Now, the MACD is a powerful momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it indicates bullish momentum. When it crosses below, it signals bearish momentum. So it is great for spotting trend continuations and reversals. Okay. Now the next indicator we are going to be looking at is, can you guess? Well, yeah, if you guessed this, then you got it right. The stochastic oscillator. This indicator compares a stock's closing price or a currency pair's closing price or a crypto's closing price, depending on what market you are using it on. All right, so basically it compares an asset's closing price to its price range over a set period. Similar to the RSI, it helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions, but it also includes a signal line to confirm momentum shifts. So we have the main line and the signal line. All right, when the main line crosses above the signal line, we have a buy signal. When the main line crosses below the signal line, we have a sell signal. Okay, so finally we are going to be looking at the commodity channel index. Okay, the CCI. It's another popular momentum indicator. Now, the CCI measures price deviations from an average level. It is particularly useful for identifying strong trend momentum and detecting divergences before a major price movement. As you can see, the CCI Unlike some other momentum indicators, like the stochastic or the RSI, which fluctuates between 0 and 100, the CCI is quite different. It has a negative territory, has a positive territory, and well, it has a zero point, a midpoint. When the CCI value climbs above 100, that is when you have overbought, and when it climbs below -100, you have oversold. So basically, it has a negative territory and a positive territory. So fluctuating between positive and negative territories. When it's in the negative territory, you know that there is bearish momentum. When it's in the positive territory, you know that there is bullish momentum. Okay, now each of these indicators has its strengths, but they work best when combined. Okay, for example, pairing RSI with MACD can help confirm trend strength before taking a trade. For example, let's say you have a signal from the RSI somewhere around here, right? Around this support level. You can see that around that support level, we had the RSI touching the oversold territory and crossing upward. And now, shortly afterwards, you can see that the MACD line crossed above this level and the histogram bars flipped to the upside, showing that there was bullish momentum. Now, in as much as at that time it felt as if the price was still consolidating, guess what? Shortly afterwards, we had a rally. Now, even the stochastic oscillator confirmed that buy signal. You can see the bullish crossovers around the oversold territory, and you can see the CCI as well. You can see that the CCI was climbing out of the negative territory. Can you see that? From the negative territory, you can see it pushed above -100, and you can see it rose up and entered the positive territory. All right, so you can see that we had a confluence around this point, around this zone, basically, not necessarily a point, but around this zone, we had a confluence. So when you have multiple indicators telling you the same thing, it's you have a higher chance of getting a valid signal, or rather a higher chance of that signal playing out. Now that you know the best momentum indicators for day trading, here are a few pro tips to help you use them effectively. The first is combining multiple indicators. You can use RSI with MACD or stochastic with CCI, and those combinations can help you confirm signals and reduce false alarms. Okay, and ensure that you use the right time frames for day trading. Shorter time frames like the 5-minute or the 15-minute chart works best. Okay, and then also wait for confirmations. All right, momentum indicators work best when paired with price action and volume. Avoid taking trades based on a single signal. All right, and then finally practice on a demo account. Before using these indicators on live trading, test them on a demo account to get a feel for how they work. By applying these strategies, you can make better trading decisions and avoid common mistakes. So that is a wrap on the best momentum indicators for day trading. Let me know in the comments which one you use the most, or if you have a favorite combination. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the best trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.